and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Wednesday. Boy, I have a busy day coming up. This morning I've got my meeting, then I got my therapy, and then I've got another meeting tonight. Yeah. Okay, last night I had a little bit of fun, and I did grilled pastrami sandwiches and French fries. Oh, I wasn't so sure about the sauerkraut mixture, the sauerkraut, the mayonnaise, and the shiraka. It's actually very good. It's really good. I could see that on other sandwiches and other things. I will post that up so you have it and have fun with it. I really, truly recommend the Ore-Ida extra crispy frozen French fries. They do crisp up really nicely. They do. No more of this soggy, we all grew up with frozen French fries that were just yuck. These are really good. Excuse me. Today, whatever, something like that, I'm doing Beef Chow Fun. We're going back to the wok. It's the only time this week that I will use the wok. The champion. Let's take a look. There's the champion. Well used. Boy, did he get used a lot last week. Dutch oven for the noodles that'll be in part of the dish. I'm using top sirloin. It's about a pound. A little bit of oil for the wok, for the champion. Garlic, about half an onion. I'm adding the red bell pepper. It's not stated in the original recipe, but you know me, I never follow the rules. Remember, recipes are just guidelines. So I'll hack that up. The sauce, light soy sauce or regular soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, a little bit of sesame oil. A little bit goes a long way with sesame oil. Some cornstarch for thickening and for crispiness of the beef. A little bit of sugar, not always needed. Green onion. These are mung bean sprouts, aka bean sprouts, part of that. And these are the rice noodles that I purchased over at Super X several weeks ago. Bought a big old package of them, so I have them. So that's it. This is the fun for tonight. We're getting really, really close to Soup Symphony. I'm waiting on one or two more sets of proofreads to come back. Thank you all for those who have done the proofreading for me. Trust me, I'm proofreading. I find stuff, every time I go through it, I find something. It's something little. It's like I found actually a big mistake, and I'm kind of like, oops, but I fixed it. It took a while because it was a big mistake. I left something out. Yeah. But hey, I'm human. But we're close. So on this, it's cold out there right now. Because it's like 6:45 in the morning. I'm doing this a little bit earlier. Yeah. So on this wacky Wednesday. Yeah, wacky Wednesday. Have a great day. Eat great food. And as always, have fun cooking.